Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is about BoxyCharm, the April 2018 box to be specific. We'd seen a few sneak peeks here and there about what's going to be in the box, but today I'm going to get right into it so we can see what I got in my box. Well, we know we're going to get a palette from Colourpop and a few other things like the Dr. Brandt product, but let's get into it and see what is inside my box. Maybe you guys got the same thing, but let's see. Alright, so let's see. And this month's theme, okay, so they have changed the card that comes inside the box, and this month's theme is eye candy. And what do we have this month? So I think I got the MAC Cosmetics Liptensity lipstick, which is pretty cool, and the Colourpop Element of Surprise eyeshadow palette, which I have this palette already, in fact. So we have the MAC Cosmetics Liptensity, and the retail value is $21, and the Colourpop Element of Surprise eyeshadow palette, and this is a retail value of $16. Then we have the Dr. Brandt Pores No More vacuum cleaner, retail value of $47. Wow, I didn't realize it was that expensive. Cool then. The BrowGal Instatint tinted eyebrow gel, and that one has an MSRP of $22. And the SL Miss Glam brush duo. Okay, so we get brushes again this month. Cool. Alright, so the MAC lipstick, the shade that I got is Dionysus. How do you pronounce this? Dionysus? I don't know, one of them. Alright, and what does it look like? Okay, girl. How do they know that I'm this deep so that I need to get a shade that's this color? That's pretty cool. Alright, girl. This is what Dionysus looks like. This is the shade Dionysus. And $21 for this one. And then the Element of Surprise. And I do have this palette. I actually was hoping to get another palette, a different palette, because I knew that they were going to give us one of these, but I was just hoping that I would not have gotten the Element of Surprise and I would have gotten another one because I already have it, you know, so I wanted something else. So this is what the Element of Surprise looks like. There are a nice even mix of matte and shimmer shades in the palette, and a nice pop of color shade here. So it's a nice palette to use to get lots of eye looks. You can get real creative with this. And Colourpop is cruelty free, so you don't have to worry about that. And it's made in the USA. This one is a $16 MSRP. Then we have the Dr. Brandt vacuum cleaner. I'm gonna try this out. I do have some pores that need some vacuum cleaning, in fact. And usually when they send these that come without the box, they normally send a package insert that includes the ingredients. Now I don't see it this time. Okay, it's not in the box either. Usually what Colourpop does is, since these come outside of the regular packaging, the regular retail packaging, which is a box, and the box is what normally has the ingredients printed on the side, they normally send a small insert inside the box so that you can see what's in it. So I'm not sure if this has silicone and those kind of things in it, but I will read up on it and see if I can find the ingredients list, and I'll give a snapshot. This one is a $47 retail value, so this is pretty good, in fact, considering the box itself is a $21 value. Alright, so the BrowGal, this one is a $22 value. Let me see what it looks like inside. Okay, so this is what the wand looks like, and this is in the shade, is it Universal? Okay, so this is the shade Light Hair 3. Now I don't have light hair, so This will probably end up being a gift for one of my friends that needs it, because I don't think I'll be able to use this, or I won't find much use in this one, simply because of the shade of it. I'm not going to be able to use this. This is going to make me look like I'm trying to get blonde eyebrows. So this is the only disappointment in the box, to be honest, because I'm not going to be able to use this. Then we have the SL Miss Glam Brush Duo. So these are the brushes. So you get, and let's see, okay, cool, and it's BoxyCharm branded. So if you can see it here, it says BoxyCharm, and it has eyeshadow P15, and then this one is the Blend Beauty. So this is pretty cool. It's branded brushes. So let me take them out of the packaging so that you can see. Right, so there we go. You can see it has BoxyCharm eyeshadow and the number for the brush, and as well you can see BoxyCharm and Blend Beauty and the number for the brush. So that's pretty cool, and this is what the brushes look like. So all in all, this is a pretty good box. The only one that I'm a bit disappointed about is this BrowGal, because I'm not going to be able to use this, simply because the shade of it is just not for me. My eyebrows are almost black, and if I'm going to put this on, which is a light hair 3, this is going to make me look like I'm trying to be somebody else. So this is going to make a gift for someone who really needs it. I'm glad to give it to someone who will have use for it. But all in all, this box is pretty good. This is the MAC Liptensity lipstick, and of course we get the element of surprise, the Pores No More vacuum cleaner from Dr. Brandt, and the brushes. So pretty good this month, huh? So in all, we get 5 products for this month, which is the standard amount that we've been getting. It's typically supposed to be 4 to 5 full-size products, but we've been consecutively getting 5 products for the last few months, which is good. I'm not complaining. That's real good. That's value for money. I have nothing bad to say where that's concerned. So that's good. So let me know what you guys got in your boxes. I know there are some variations in the boxes for this month, and month to month there are some items that some folks get, some folks don't get. So let me know which ones you got and whether you like what you got, if you've used what you've gotten. I'll see y'all in my next video. Until next time, I'll talk to you soon.